Hey, what's up, guys? How is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So, of recent, I try a different kind of ways to actually rank my Fiverr gig uh, on the Fiverr platform. So, I try different kind of methods, and most of the method actually fails, so but only two methods actually work. So, and in this video I'm going to share with you the method that actually works and help me to rank my Fiverr gig on the first page on the Fiverr platform with some certain keywords which I include on the Fiverr account, from the gig title, gig tags, and the description as well. So I'm gonna share with you in this video what I went through and what I exactly did to rank that Fiverr gig. So as you can see here, I don't know if you're actually familiar with this or these top focus keywords that is showing after searching for this agency website SEO. So, and the tools that I actually use to generate all these top focus keywords is Fiverr quick view, which is you can actually search for it on Google Chrome, and you'll be able to install the extension from here. So Fiverr quick view, so you can see here, this is Fiverr quick view extension. So just go ahead and install the extension on your Chrome browser. So once you install the extension, you'll be able to see all these features here, as you can see here. So you'll be able to see all these features as well. So as you can see, this extension will help you in niching down to some keywords that you can actually use on your gig to rank best and rank faster. So, but that is just by the way, that's not exactly what we are going to discuss, but this is also part of it. So, and as you can see here, this is related to SEO stuff. So then you can see all the keywords related to it, so which you can actually include when setting up your gig, and it will make you rank better. So instead of using website SEO, which might be full saturated and almost maybe more than 12,000 gigs, so but using the agency website SEO is like niching down to agency website, and with that you'll be able to get clients who are basically looking for a website SEO expert for their agency website. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So this is another keyword here, which is SEO agency. This is another great keyword as well. And SEO optimization can actually be more saturated than this because it looks so directly, and almost everyone can be using that particular keyword. So, and what other keyword? Maybe digital agency as well. So, and agency website, if you're actually a website designer, so you can actually use this one as well. So, but I'm very sure this will have more than 12,000 sellers using these keywords. I'm very sure of that. So scrolling down, you'll be seeing different kind of sellers with different kind of prices. So this is where we're actually going to. So, and as you can see here, this top 4 sellers, and this is the least or the lowest price on these top 4 sellers, which is the $50. This one is $80, this one is $120, and this one is $180, and almost all of them have reviews. And as you can see, this particular one, it has 6 reviews, and this one also have 2 reviews. So why are they ranking in this position? So I'm gonna share with you in this video as well. So let's just scroll down to see more of it. So yeah, so this particular one, this is over 134 reviews, and this is 34 reviews. This is 3 reviews for, and it has Fiverr choice with almost $1,000 for the basic package, and this is $80, which having 7 orders in queue. So as you can see, many things are hold on to Fiverr gig ranking. Different kind of things actually hold on to gig ranking on Fiverr platform. But what I noticed lately is the fact that the method I used, because the niche, most of the sellers on that particular niche have high prices, of course, and the lowest price on that niche is $100. So that's the lowest package, who are on the first page, to be precise. The seller who are on the first page, the list price is $100. So what did I need to do to outrank all these sellers is to lower my price and get order as soon as possible. So once you get order, then your gig will maintain on the first page. So this is what I actually did. So once immediately I see that these sellers on the first page are offering an high prices on the gig. So some of them have $100 for the basic package, $150 for the standard package, and for the premium package most of them have $300. So what I actually did is that I set up 2 different gigs on that niche. So after setting up 2 different gigs on that niche, I put $100 on one, and I put $30 on one. And guess what? Both gigs actually rank. They rank perfectly. And what actually happened is this: the first gig I created was for the $100 ones. I only get clicks on that gigs, but no single order on that particular gig. And the one with $30 received just organic order, just one order. So after the one order, what I did is that I contact a friend of mine who is actually in need of my service. So what I did is that I tell him to place order on my gig, to make my gig, my order maintain 2. That's like 2 orders on my particular gig. So what I actually did is that after I deliver the first organic order, which a client actually order on the gig, so after I delivered, I did not deliver the one I asked my friend to order for me. And of course, I actually did a project for him because I used to work for him once in a while on a monthly basis. So instead of me collecting the payment directly, so I just have to tell him that I should place the order directly on Fiverr so that I'll be able to get review from him. So the next day I delivered the second order as well. So after I delivered the second order, so the client approved the order and gave me 5-star rating. So what I did the next is that I told my friend to not approve the order yet until after 2 days. So after 2 days, he approved the order and also gave me 5-star rating. Then both of my gig maintained on the first page, and up to now, as I'm recording this video, both gigs are still doing perfectly on Fiverr on the first page. But believe me, this first gig is not making any sales, even though it's on the first page, and I'm not receiving any message on that first gig. But the second gig with $30 is actually performing well, and I also get rising talent on that particular gig, which the $30 on. So what I actually noticed, and this is the takeaway for you if you are trying to rank your gig on Fiverr platform. So what you need to do is check on your competitors, and as you can see, almost all these sellers here on this first page have high prices. So how can you beat them down and outrank them on Fiverr platform? Is offering a low price. As you can see this one here. So this is a low price, and this is $25, and almost everyone wants to hire someone with a professional in that particular niche and also deliver high quality service. So under my account, under my particular gig with $30, I have over 10 reviews on that gig right now, and I still have others in queue, but the earnings is actually low based on the price I gave on the account, and most of the orders I'm receiving are based on my basic package. So definitely it's tell me that most of these clients are not interested in high package, so they are actually interested in lower package. So if you actually want to make sales and rank your gig faster, all you need to do is go for lower price. And once you go for lower price, the more you grow, the more you can actually increase your Fiverr gig package. So this will definitely help you to rank your gig faster as soon as possible. So these are the things I noticed, and also checking on this particular niche. So if I actually want to set up a gig on this particular niche, so the least package or for my basic package will be $30 as well. And believe me, within little time I will be able to rank my gig on the first page and also make more sales on the first page as well. So, and almost all the gigs on this first page are not actually based on the keyword I search, which is agency website SEO. So some of them are offering affiliates, referral program, just like this one. So and some other gig as well. So scrolling down to see, maybe we can actually say website design gig or SEO websites for agency websites. So, and also most of the gigs on the first page are actually doing perfectly, but then they have high price. But you as a new seller, as you can see here, this is level 1 seller. Almost most of them have a level badge. So if you're starting out, so offering like lower price will definitely help you to make sales as soon as possible, and you'll be able to make money as soon as possible, and you'll be able to also get your level 1 badge. And once you get your level 1 badge, you'll be able to move on and then to the next thing you actually need to do. So this is what I noticed of recent, and I think I need to share with you if you are trying to or struggling to rank your Fiverr gig on the first page on the platform and also try to make money on the platform. So using this kind of method will definitely help you to make money as soon as possible, and then you can increase your gig package on the long run. So if you have any question regarding this video, kindly smash on the comment section and I will reply to it as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.